So welcome back to my channel, and finally I'm get the update. I saw it on my phone. I'm gonna update it with my phone, but just wanted to check out. Yes, let's do this, but I'm gonna do it through the app. You'll see it soon. Let's do it. All right, so let's hit this install button. Doing it from my house. Gonna take a nap and I'll find the results tomorrow morning. All right, install. All right, I'm gonna speed this process up.
An eternity later.
Well, it looks like it's some minor improvements, or just some bug fixes, because really nothing new. Uh, Nothing new in this update. This update is 2018.50.6 is the update. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Remember, free supercharging ends February 1st. Use my referral code. Link is in the description. Thanks again. Peace.